Hi, my guys. Good morning. I came morning in the kitchen. I saw my cats see out of window. What happened? Let's go see. Let's go see. Please, the first I want you subscribe us and sharing this video and send for your friends and your family and send comment for me. Did you before this view or no? Yes, let's go see.
3, 2, 1!
Lucy, what is it? Oh, one small bird out of window in the yard. Oh my God. Who are these? Lucy? Jessica? Justina in the kitchen? Above of oven? Oh, not good. Emma, what did you see? Oh, Lucy! What is it? Oh, small bird. Yes, it's good sound. And tell you good morning, Lucy. Good morning, Jessie. Good morning, Justina. Good morning, all the cats. Oh, you want to take this bird? Because my cats before didn't see bird, didn't hear the sound of bird. Yes, I opened the window for the kitchen and change weather. And I came, I saw all of my cats sit above oven. Yes. Oh. Yes, the weather is very nice, sunshine. And the weather nice and the bird starts singing. Yes. Oh, what is it? A small bird. Yes, small bird. I can't see you. Oh, Jessica. Jessica. Oh, where place you want go? It's not possible. She or he, I don't know. Out of. Out of home, in the yard. It's not possible you go. Yes, it's not possible. Oh, Jessica, you come here and see? Yes. Oh my God. It's very nice for my cat. Yes, see? All time go up and see and hear bird sounds. Yes. Tell me in the comment before, did you see this? All the cats come, your cats come and see out of window. Oh my God. Emma, I want to see. What is this? This is a small bird. Yes, a small bird. Yes, a small bird can't come here. Yes.